Medical notes this week. Millions of Americans take a low-dose aspirin every day in hopes of preventing a heart attack or stroke. But now the American College of Cardiology and the American Heart Association say to stop taking it if you have no history of heart attack or stroke. The new recommendation comes in the wake of a major study showing that a daily aspirin does nothing to prolong life and increases the risk of gastrointestinal bleeding. Experts say doctors should limit aspirin to people at high heart risk who also have a low risk of bleeding. We've told you about the stroke risk connected to drinking lots of diet soda among postmenopausal women. Now there's another study showing that soda with sugar is also connected to heart death. The study in the journal Circulation finds that the risk of premature death goes up by 63% in women who drink more than 2 sodas per day and 29% among men. Sugary sodas increase cancer risk by 18%. Nobody likes to get caught in traffic caused by road repairs, but a new study in the International Journal of Sustainable Transportation finds that preventive road maintenance saves a lot of money, time, and pollution. Researchers say performing maintenance when a road is in its early failure stage ends up saving 10 to 30% in cost and saves drivers 2 to 5% in fuel consumption, tire wear, and vehicle repairs. Keeping roads in good shape also cuts greenhouse gases by as much as 2%. And finally, you have to be nuts to maintain your brain function as you age, or more correctly, you have to eat nuts. A study in the Journal of Nutrition, Health, and Aging shows that eating at least 2 teaspoons of nuts each day can boost brain function by 60%, equivalent to putting off 2 years of brain aging. And that's Medical Notes this week.